It's quite hard to see, but it's here it displays 0 dB, 0.66 dB when it's around 75% of his full course. Well, this is and this is accurate. Minus infinite plus 6 dB. This is the main matrix mixer. And when you go in the home menu and you press this user-defined key and you select in this drop-down menu in effect 1, well, any input, you can just select any input, and then let's just try the send level, and if I assign it, it says plus 6 minus infinite, but here it says minus 29 and minus 65. Sorry for my terrible English accent. And here it displays 70 or something like that.
Dot 7.
It should display 0 around here and plus 6 here and minus infinite here. So it's not coherent. There you go, just a little patch, and if it is the current firmware.